question. A rod AB is shown in figure. End A of rod is fixed on ground. So this is end A. This is fixed on ground. Block is moving with velocity √3 meter per second towards right. So this block is moving with velocity 2 meter per second. The velocity of end B of rod when rod makes angle 60 degree with the ground. Okay. So this kind of question, how to solve this question. So we can solve with different approach, and I will discuss two different approaches. Okay. So suppose velocity of this block is given, that is √3 meter per second. So since the end B is in contact, the end B will also have the same velocity V. The end B will have same velocity as the block. Okay. So what will be velocity of end B when rod makes angle 60 degree? So in horizontal direction, the velocity of end B is like this. But actually the B is rotating about a fixed point. See, the B is rotating about a fixed point. So the actual velocity, if I draw it separately, it is like this. This is the rod and this is the fixed point, and B is the velocity of rod B is like this, VB, and this VB will have two components. One will be horizontal. See, this VB, whatever we are getting this VB, it will have two components. One will be along horizontal and second will be along vertical. Okay. So what we can see is that this V and VB, how they are related. So you can find this angle is 60, this angle is 60, this is 90, and you can find this, if you draw a line like this, if this is 60, this will be 60, and if this is 90, this will be 30 degree. Okay. And if this is 30 degree here, then VB cos 30, you can write VB cos 30 is along horizontal direction. So VB cos 30 will be equal to small v. So you can write like this, and VB will be equal to V by cos 30, or V is how much? V is √3 and cos 30 is √3 by 2. So we are getting 2 meter per second. So in this way you can solve this problem. Means what we did is this point was fixed, and so this is fixed, the object will rotate along about this point, and the motion, the velocity of the end B will be perpendicular to this radial direction. So that we can say is because this is moving in circular motion, and from there we have written VB for the point B, and if we have VB, the VB will have a component along vertical as well as horizontal. So horizontal direction we can write VB cos 30, and vertical also we can write. The vertical will have some value VB sin 30, but that is not required. Okay. So V will be equal to VB cos 30, that we have related, and VB will be V by cos 30. So we can write finally 2 meter per second. Okay. This is one approach. Now we will see the another method, so alternate method. Alternate method, if you see, so for this what we are going to do, this, consider this as y up to here, this is y, and this we consider as x. Okay, so we will use differentiation method, and the length is suppose L. So we can write x square plus y square, x square plus y square equal to L square. Okay, and L is fixed here. Now we differentiate it. So if we differentiate x square with respect to dt, y square with respect to dt, and L square with respect to dt. So it will be 2x dx by dt, and here it will be 2y dy by dt, and here it will be 0. So the rate of change of x is what? That is velocity of the block, that is v. So you can write 2x dx by dt is v actually. The rate of change of x is what? This velocity v. And similarly you have 2y dy by dt. So how much will be dy by dt? The dy by dt is equal to minus xv by y. Minus sign indicates the y is decreasing. So that's why this point is going down. This is going down. Okay. And x by y. So x is this and y is this. So x by y is actually cot of that angle 60. X by y is cot. So minus cot 60 degree into V. So how much is cot 60? So cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Cot 60 is what? 1 by root 3. So we can write 1 by root 3 and V was root 3. So this is how much? This is minus 1. So the velocity of in y direction, the Vy, this is Vy actually. The Vy of this point is minus 1. And now if we want to find net speed of point B, which we are asked, the velocity of end B. So for that we need to write the net velocity, we need to write as the Vx square plus Vy square. Okay, so Vx square is same as V. Vx is actually same as V. So this will be equal to how much? This will be root 3 square and plus minus 1 square under root. So how much it will be? It will be 3 plus 1 under root, so 2. So velocity of point B is 2 meters per second. In both the methods, we can see we are getting same answer.